learners, welcome to your favorite e-learning platform Pathshala. So I Tamanna today here with the chapter number 5th of standard 8, that is coal and petroleum. Fine. So chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is coal and petroleum. So we are going to see here very first what are the fossil fuels. So before that we need to go with the chapter. We need to know about the basis of this chapter. Fine. So the thing is that coal and petroleum we are going to study. So coal and petroleum are coming under the category of fossil fuels. So what are these fossil fuels? So we need to know about fossil fuels, exactly what they are. Exhaustible resources used by humans today. The resources which we are using today, which are exhaustible, which are going to exhaust on any kind of the time, means they are not for the till the life. Two sources we are going to study, exhaustible and inexhaustible. So we'll going in detail with the meaning of these words, but now you need to understand fossil words is dealing with the thing. Fuel we all are aware about. Fuel is what? Everything which is undergoing combustion and producing any kind of heat or energy. But fossil means is here exhaustible resources. Exhaustible means they are going to exhaust. They are going to finish on any kind of the any certain kind of the time. They are not for the long of the, कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि they will be not going to finish. They will be going to finish and it is very tough to restore them. It is, they are not in the excess of the amount, excess में नहीं है हमारे अर्थ क्रस्ट पे, they are very limited and they are exhaustible. वो क्या हो सकते हैं? खत्म हो सकते हैं बहुत जल्दी. Fine. So let's see dead plant and animals that were buried under the earth. Now we come to know what are fossil fuels. Fossil fuel क्या है? Exhaustible resources हैं. ऐसे resources जो क्या हो सकते हैं? खत्म हो सकते हैं, एकदम से exhaust हो जाएंगे, खत्म हो जाएंगे. फाइन. यूज करके क्या हो सकते हैं? फिनिश ऑफ हो सकते हैं. So how they are formed? So we need to know about the formation of the fossil fuels. The fossil fuels are formed by when dead plants and animals that were buried under the earth and million of years ago decomposed under extreme heat and pressure to form fossil fuels. So exactly fossil fuels are what? So जो we are having coal and petroleum, basically the name of chapter is coal and petroleum. So both of these coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. So that's why to understanding coal and petroleum we need to be aware about the meaning of fossil fuels. Fuel we are very well aware about. Anything which is undergoing combustion में undergo करेगा. After undergoing combustion, it particular substance is going to produce heat or any kind of energy. But what this word fossil means? Fuel are different kind. Fuel क्या है? कुछ क्या है जो क्या है combustion करके heat energy produce करेंगे, but वो क्या है? Exhaustible नहीं है. Fossil मतलब exhaustible. Exhaust. EXHAUST. Exhaustible. Exhaustible मतलब they can be exhaust very soon. They are going to be finished very soon. तो fossil fuel जो है exhaustible है means it is not easy to retain them back. To retain them back. उनको वापस बनाना easy नहीं है. और कैसे form होते हैं? From plant and animals. Living sources से very important. Plant and animal are what? Living sources. Living things से जो चीजें बन रही हैं, that is plants and animal के डिकम्पोज होने से, किससे? डिकम्पोजिशन of plant and animal. When someone is going to decomposition, when that is dead na, so decomposition of plant and animal, dead plant and animal obviously, fine, buried under the earth crust. When they are buried under the earth crust, at very high temperature and pressure is required for these decompositions. This decomposition of plants and animal is done at a very extreme level of temperature and pressure, and which is giving in the form of, or how much time it is taking to be do this? Million of years. So that's why million of years is required for the retaining. इनको वापस से बनाने के लिए we need to go through wait for a million of the years. So million of years ago ये हो चुका है decomposition. So nowadays we are using these fossil fuel are of the million years ago. But now in future इनका जो supply है that is going to be decrease. For example, अगर हमारे पास एक particular आपका money bank रहेगा, fine, money bank में you have some savings, आप अपने पैसे save कर रहे हो. But one point of time you were do you are just withdrawing the balance from your money bank and you're not putting anything in that. तो एट वन टाइम यू गाइज वट फील, वो एम्प्टी हो जाएगा ना बच्चे. तो कोई भी सोर्स है अगर हम उसके रिसोर्सेज को यूज करी जा रहे हैं और उसमें क्या नहीं कर रहे, कुछ ऐड नहीं कर रहे, विड्रॉ ही कर रहे हैं, देन वन टाइम विल फील दैट विल बी फिनिश्ड ऑफ. एंड फिनिश ऑफ हो गया एंड देन अगेन million of year is required for the making of that thing. So it is very very tough to make that back. So that's why these are fossil fuel which is not easy to retain back, जिनको बनाना easy नहीं है और ये क्या है million of year लेते हैं बनने में. ठीक है. So these are the fossil fuel are the exhaustible. Why? Because they have taken million of years for formation. और बन कहाँ से रहे हैं? Dead and decaying decomposition of plants and animals. दोनों लिविंग हैं, दोनों को हम नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते. ऐसा थोड़ी अब एनिमल्स को पकड़ेंगे दबा देंगे हमें फॉसिल फ्यूल चाहिए. No, we can't do like that ना. So that's why this is exhaustible. Fine. And the composition of plant and animals for million of years at condition क्या है? At extreme. Extreme means very 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 extreme high temperature and pressure. Conditions क्या required है? High temperature and pressure will be required. तो वो कहाँ है? Under the earth crust. So this is very important thing to understand about fossil fuels. They are going to play very very important role in our life. पेट्रोल हम यूज करते हैं अपने व्हीकल्स में डालते हैं, डीजल यूज कर रहे हैं, फॉसिल फ्यूल या पेट्रोलियम के ही क्या है आगे कंपोनेंट्स हैं. बट क्या बोला जाता है? व्हेन सिग्नल पे खड़े हो स्विच ऑफ करो. एड्स भी इतनी आती हैं. फ्यूचर में हमें साइकिल पे जाना पड़ेगा अगर ऐसे हमारा इसको हम यूज करते रहे और इसको कंजर्व नहीं करा, अननेसेसरी यूज करा. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर. सो फॉसिल फ्यूल यू गाइस नीड टू बी अवेयर अबाउट. फॉसिल फ्यूल क्या है? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. बोथ आर फॉसिल फ्यूल. इन डिटेल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी हाउ दे आर फॉर्म्ड, व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट ऑफ दीज टू. बट बिफोर दैट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड इज देयर, न्यू term is there, fossil fuels. So dead plant and animals when they were decomposed under the earth crust after a million of years at extreme condition of temperature and pressure will getting these fossil fuels. Fine. You can see here in this picture. So here is the formation of the different form of the fossil fuels. So you can see peat. Peat is the component of what? This is the formation of coal. This is the formation of coal is shown under the earth crust. So you guys are well aware about this कि अभी आपने मे बी आपने ना देखी हो, अमिताभ बच्चन की बहुत सी फिल्में हमने देखी है ना. तो उसमें क्या कर रहे होते हैं? माइनिंग कर रहे होते हैं बहुत से लोग. ठीक है, मजदूर काम कर रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, तो माइनिंग दे आर डिगिंग वेरी वेरी डीप इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट. तो डिग कर करके कोयले की खान में काम कर रहे होते हैं. तो कैसे हम देखेंगे कोयला इज वेयर इज द कोल? कोल इज अंडर द अर्थ क्रस्ट. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन एंड अ फॉसिल फ्यूल. उसके आगे कंपोनेंट है पीट, लिग्नाइट, coal. You can see here extreme heat, pressure is there and time is very vast. So it is required a long time for the formation of these fossil fuel. तो जब ये formation होता है हमारे under earth crust, तो we all very aware about कि हमारे अर्थ के क्रस्ट के अंदर क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा लावा, हीट बहुत ज्यादा है. उसी हीट की, उसी प्रेशर, कंप्रेशन इज ऑल्सो हाई. उसी की वजह से क्या होते हैं? ये फॉसिल फ्यूल जो है फॉर्म होते हैं. तो विल गोइंग इन डिटेल फॉर दिस ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अंडर द ना. एग्जाम्पल क्यों लिया मैंने मूवी का? बिकॉज हमें पता होना चाहिए कोल, हम तो ऐसे देखिए लकड़ी जला के कोयला मिल रहा है. नो, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग कोल बाय बर्निंग द वुड ओनली. ठीक है, वी आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग कोल अंडर द अर्थ क्रस्ट. तभी तो माइनिंग होती है. कितने लोग काम करते हैं वहां से. यहाँ पे लाइट वाला हुटर पहना होता है उन्होंने, और वो उनको टॉर्च वाला हेलमेट होता है, हुटर ने हेलमेट पहना होता है, तो वो उनको दिखता है बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी नीचे जाके माइनिंग हो रहा होता है under the earth crust. So this is very important to understand about the fossil fuel. Fine. So next we'll proceed with the further topics. So let's see the major examples for the fossil fuels. Major fossil fuels are, which we are going to study, is coal, then petroleum, and also called as crude oil, and after this natural gas. So these three important fossil fuels which we are going to study one by one. So how coal is formed, how are the different components of, what are the different components of coal, then same for the petroleum and same for the natural gas.